right, love you too. All right, bye.
You want to see me gate?
You are gating. You're doing good.
Hey, you want to see me gate?
Yeah. Get all the way around. All the way around.
That's cute. I think you know thing a new riding partner there.
You've been out here about 3 hours.
Jenny said you can't get him off the horse. He wants to take him home.
Look at him. Back him up. Talk to him.
Boy.
Okay. Spin him around.
You taught him all that.
It's a spin around, isn't it, son? Come this way.
This is a good here, ain't it?
Keep him going. Keep him going. Pet him. Pet him, Garrett. Come, good boy.
Hey, you working him out, ain't you?
Look at him. Watch him bend him, Wendy. Look at that. Okay, relax. Do the other side.
At the scooter. Easy, ho. Bend. Oh, not that way.
It's okay. Bend him this way.
He said you wanted to turn around.
Good boy. All right.
Can I take this horse home?
Yeah.
You gonna put him in the backyard and feed him?
All right, let him rest a minute.